Have you ever felt super anxious first thing in the morning on the way to work and you have no idea why?
Me. I can't find my keys. Chloe, have you seen my keys? I've lost my phone. I'm gonna get stuck in traffic. I'm gonna be late for work and I don't even have time for breakfast. Ah!
Rach! Why'd you have to be so anxious all the time? Just chill. I've got something for you. It's gonna make you feel better.
Chloe, I don't like pink. You know I don't like pink. You know I don't like anything pink. It makes me feel really anxious. Ah!
In this video, we're going to talk to you about one of the contributing factors to anxiety, and
It's not what you think it is.
Hi, you're here with Chloe.
And Rachel, and we are the Wellness Twins. And we are here to give you the best tips and tools to get your health back on track naturally.
So, did you know that your gut microbes can actually influence anxiety? So, if you don't have enough of the good bugs, such as bifidobacterium, and you have too many of the bad bugs, such as proteobacteria, it's actually been shown to influence both mood and anxiety.
Really? That almost sounds a little bit too far-fetched. I mean, how can good bacteria or good gut bugs actually impact my mood and the way that I feel?
It's a good question, and it does sound maybe a tad ridiculous, but if you look at it like this, we have more bacteria in the human body compared to human cells. So we have so much bacteria in the human body that it actually outnumbers our human cells by tenfold. And a lot of that bacteria is found in our digestive systems.
Wow, that's a crap load of bacteria.
Pardon the pun. If you have too many of the wrong bugs in your digestive system, they contain a toxin called lipopolysaccharide.
Holy crap, I'm gonna say that's like an epically long word. Can we just like abbreviate that for like our viewers?
Yeah, okay, it's a really long word. Sorry. Let's call it LPS.
LPS for sure.
So these bad bacteria contain LPS, which is a toxin in your gut, which has been shown to escape the digestive system and may cross your blood-brain barrier, driving inflammation in your brain. And so this inflammation in your brain has been shown to induce things like a depressive state, but also worsen anxiety.
Wow, so it sounds like it's really important to be able to lower the amount of bad gut bugs that we have in our digestive system and increase good gut bugs so we don't have as many toxins that's being released and causing that inflammation.
Yeah, spot on.
So that's obviously going to help me to feel a lot more calmer and less anxious.
Yeah.
But I think what a lot of our viewers would really love to know is how do we actually do that? Because we all want to feel calm and less anxious.
Totally.
So what can we do to actually start improving our gut health?
So the awesome thing is that it really comes down to what you're eating or what you're feeding your microbes day in and day out.
So we actually need to be feeding like the good guys.
Yeah.
Like the good bacteria, which is what you're calling the microbes.
Exactly.
So our friends, we want to feed our friends.
We want to feed our friends.
We don't want to feed the bad guys.
No. So there are certain foods that have been shown to really increase the numbers of these beneficial bacteria, but there's also certain foods, yes, they're the unhealthy foods, but we're going to go into those tips in a second, which has been shown to really drive the bad bacteria. So let's pop on to 3 tips on what you can do starting today to help influence the healthy bacteria in your gut and reduce the bad bugs.
Yay, let's get on to it.
Yay. But Ray, Paige, you get anxious every morning. I made this just for you. Try it. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. So, tip number 1. Eat more polyphenol-rich foods.
Okay, polyphenol.
Yeah.
What is that word? What does that mean? What's a polyphenol?
Okay, so polyphenols are a naturally occurring chemical found in purple, red, black, and brown foods.
Right, interesting. And so, how do polyphenols help our good bacteria, and what sort of foods can we be eating that's actually high in polyphenols?
So, these naturally occurring chemicals found in these types of foods have been shown to feed all your good bugs.
Yay, we want to feed our friends.
Yes. So we want to feed the good bugs, which will then in turn crowd out the bad bugs, which creates all the toxin that leads to things like anxiety or brain inflammation. Cool.
Okay, got it.
So the types of foods that you really want to start increasing and eating regularly are things like purple cabbage, eggplant with the skin on, purple carrots, black rice, red rice, as well as things like cocoa, so really good quality cocoa. And so dark chocolate is also a really awesome option, not your Cadbury milk chocolate, because it's got like a really low percentage of cocoa. So that unfortunately does not make the list.
Okay,
as well.
Dark chocolate. Is that cacao as well? Is it the same thing?
Yeah, cacao, cocoa, just 100% cocoa is
cool.
ideal, and flaxseed meal as well.
Awesome. So a lot of colourful foods that we want to be eating to get those polyphenols. That's going to help us to feel good and calm and relaxed.
Exactly. That is the goal.
That is the goal. Okay, cool.
Tip number 2. Make sure you're not binging on alcohol.
Sure, we can give that a crack.
We can give that a crack.
Okay, so not binging on alcohol. So how much can we drink that is not going to have an effect on our good friends and our good bugs in our stomach, in our digestive system?
So, approximately 2 to 2.5 standard drinks are safe.
Okay.
Anything over 4 standard drinks in one sitting has been shown to increase the release of LPS from the gut, which is that toxin from bad bacteria. So we've now got more LPS in the bloodstream, which can potentially affect the brain.
Wow, that's really interesting, because I've actually talked to some of my clients, and some of them have told me that after they sort of have a bit of a binge drinking session on the weekend, they find that they sort of feel a little bit more anxious throughout that week than they normally would.
Yeah.
So I'm sort of just connecting the dots and going, well, that obviously has an impact. That could be the toxins that's being released, causing that brain inflammation and really affecting mood.
Yeah, definitely. Could be a really big contributing factor for some people, depending on how unhealthy their digestive systems are.
Okay, really interesting. And so, yeah, just those standard drinks and not binging over that amount.
Yeah, exactly. So just stick to 2.5 standard drinks or less in one sitting.
In one sitting. Okay,
Yeah.
got that. Tip number 3.
Increase your fibre at each main meal.
Okay, so what sort of fibre-rich foods would you say we should start including in our diet to help our gut health?
Yeah, so when it comes to fibre, you want to aim for a combination of both insoluble and soluble fibre. So aiming to get a variety of foods from things like whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, rolled oats, rye or whole grain pasta, for example. And also aiming to eat things like lentils, beans such as black beans or pinto beans or kidney beans, as well as nuts and seeds on a day-to-day basis.
Okay, and so why is that important to add fibre into our diet? How's that going to help our gut?
Yeah, so fibre naturally acts as a prebiotic, so aiming to feed beneficial bacteria. And so you really want to get a lot of this fibre in the diet to increase the growth and the numbers of the good bugs. But at the same time, you want to ensure that you're not eating a lot of the refined carbohydrates, so things like white rice, white pasta, white bread, because they're really low in fibre and actually end up starving off our good bugs bugs, which is what we don't want, because that actually is going to reduce all the good bacteria in your digestive system. So really upping the soluble fibre and insoluble fibre foods to increase all the numbers of the good bugs for healthy mood and reducing anxiety.
Too easy. So just making sure and keeping it front of mind that we are adding fibre to most of our meals throughout the day.
Yep.
And a combination of that. Okay, great.
Awesome. Are you ready to try it now?
Okay, I guess I'll try it. It's not too bad. I feel a lot less anxious now, thanks.
That's good.
Thank you so much guys for watching our video. We really hoped it's helped to give you guys some information for how you can start supporting your gut, which then influences your mood and helps you to feel calmer within yourself. So I really hope you guys got some great takeaways from today. And if you guys are interested in trying out the delicious smoothie that Chloe made for me lovingly, it actually is really delicious by the way guys, please visit our website, which is www.thewellnesstwins.com, and you'll be able to find that recipe on there and give it a go yourself.
And question of the day. What food are you going to incorporate into your diet starting today, which is going to help your gut health and your mood and your anxiety? We want to know. Pop it in the comments below.
Yeah, we totally want to know. Is it polyphenol foods that you're going to be increasing in your diet, or is it fiber-rich foods?
Yeah.
What specific foods are you going to start with today? We want to hear it from you.
Definitely. And look, if you have any ideas or you want any information on a specific topic, then we also would love to hear from you, and please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, we're the Wellness Twins, empowering you to nourish your body,
Rewire your mindset
and ignite change.